Review 3. My homework project this week is about my father. 1. Listen and read. When my father was young. This is a photo of my father when he was 12. He lived in Amman with grandma, grandpa, and Uncle Hassan. At the weekend, my father and his brother flew their kites or played games. My father liked music and he could play the piano. He can also use a computer and he can speak English. When he was young, he didn't have a computer. My father liked sports too. He was good at playing tennis and table tennis. He could swim. My father enjoys doing sports now. He plays basketball at the sports center every week. My father always helped his mother and father around the house. He dried the dishes, set the table, and tidied his bedroom. My father liked cars and bikes. He liked mending things. He could mend a picture. He helped his father with their car. He liked looking at car engines. He helped to wash the car too. Now I helped my father to wash the car. 2. Listen and answer. What tasks do the family talk about? 3. Listen again and choose. 4. Look and say. Our grandma and grandpa are coming to visit us today. Great, I'll buy a present. What was the weather like on the journey? My story, The Plane Journey by Salma. I was the beginning of the school holidays. I was at the airport with my mom and dad. We were going to Aqaba to visit our cousins. It was my first journey by plane. We checked and then we waited for our plane. It was started to rain while we were waiting for our plane. It was windy too. It's okay, said Mom. The weather is good in Aqaba. Mom gave me my favorite book. Dad stood up while I was reading. It's time to the plane, he said. We climbed the stairs to the plane and we sat down. The wind got stronger while the plane was taking off. I hope that the plane is safe, I thought. We were soon high in the sky. The pilot talked to everyone on the plane. The wind is very bad today, he said, but don't be frightened. The plane is safe and we can landing soon. I heard a noise while the plane was landing. It's all right, Dad said. It's just the wind. The plane landed safely on the ground. We arrived in Aqaba. I was very happy. Dry the dishes, tidy up, put flowers in a vase, buy a present, wash the car, make a cake, set the table, water the flowers. tidy my bedroom, help my mom. 5. Read and answer. It was raining. It started to rain while they were waiting for the plane. It was windy. The wind was very bad. The wind got stronger when the plane was taking off. 6. Read again and match the sentences. Tell the story. Selma was at the airport with her mom and dad. It started to rain while they were waiting for the plane. 1. It started to rain. 2. Selma's father stood up. 3. The wind got stronger. 4. Selma heard a noise while A. The plane was taking off. B. The plane was landing. C. They were waiting. D. Selma was reading. 7. Project. Write a story. 1. Choose a title for your story. A boat trip, a bus trip, a plane journey, a train journey. 2. Write and answer. Who is in the story? 2. Where does the story happen? 3. What happens in the story? 4. Is there a problem? What is it? 5. What happens at the end? 6. How does the problem get better? 3. Write your story and tell the class. A boat trip. I was in Aqaba with my mother, my father and my brother Jabir. We wanted to go on a boat trip. I was very excited. The boat arrived. Jabir started to cry while we were walking onto the boat. "It's up," said mother. My mother gave Jabir his favorite toy. There was a noise and the boat started. Jabir was very frightened. Then I had an idea. I took Jabir to the window. "We can look at the sea," I said. Jabir smiled. He watched the other boats. The trip was fun. I was in Aqaba with my mother, my father, my brother Jabir.